Hey, this is Mark Hess. On behalf of Michael Thomas, we would like to thank you for checking out this page. First, it's important for you to understand how the WordPress plugin you are about to see came about. Michael and I have been working with WordPress and developing plugins for years. During that time combined, we've logged into literally thousands of WordPress sites while providing support for our customers or just helping people out. We keep seeing people making the same mistakes over and over again, which can leave WordPress sites vulnerable to attack or things like plugin conflicts. So many times we told people about these things after logging into their sites, and they were shocked, especially because these were easy things to fix if people knew about them. The plugin that we developed will help everyone, whether you're a WordPress newbie or if you've been using WordPress for years. This plugin will find and fix all of the common faults on your WordPress sites in seconds. It automatically checks 17 different settings for best practices, and in just one click, you can check your site for security and performance loopholes. You can use it alongside any other security plugin on the market for maximum protection. We call our plugin WP Total Audit, and you need to install this on all of your sites, whether they are brand new or established. I really don't need to hype this up. I'll just show you how our plugin works so you can see it in action. This right here is the total audit screen. Our plugin pulls in and checks information about your WordPress install. There are 17 different things that are checked, and if issues are found, you can fix them straight from the screen in one click, or if you can't fix it automatically, because there's just some things that we can't automate within the plugin, no one can, we provide you with instructions on how to fix the issue. You just come down here on these 17 different things, and this is the audit test portion right here. So anything with an X or a warning sign, those are all issues that can be fixed within this plugin. So for instance, file and folder permissions are conservative. If you want to fix them, right here, folder and file permissions are fixed. So that's a big security loophole within WordPress. You could do the same thing for the license file, README. You can watch videos if different user accounts are created. So there's tons of different things you can use in here. So debug mode is disabled. We show you how to do that. Update your current version of PHP. And there are a bunch of different things, as you can see right here. HEAccess file has been created. Right there, you can just fix that. So as you can see, our plugin is super, super easy to use. This right here is essential for all of your WordPress sites. Right now, we are selling WP Total Audit for a one-time price. You get lifetime instant access to this plugin. You get lifetime updates, awesome support, and there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Seriously, if you're not happy with this plugin for any reason, submit a ticket to our help desk, and we will gladly refund your money. So, thank you to everyone who picked up a copy of this plugin. We appreciate it. Michael and Thomas and I will see you inside of the members area.